Hello aspiring social media managers. This is Sent Matters. Thanks for joining us. If you've not subscribed, please do and hit the notification bell to receive an alert when we have uploaded video. Are you passionate about all things social media and ready to turn your skills into a rewarding career? In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of starting a career as a social media manager. We'll cover the essential tools you need, where to find job opportunities, and provide valuable tips on how to apply for these exciting positions. Let's dive in. To excel as a social media manager, you'll need to equip yourself with the right tools. Let's explore some of the essential tools that will streamline your work and help you deliver outstanding results. Social media scheduling tools. Discover popular scheduling tools like Hootsuite, Buffer, Sprout Social, or Later. These platforms allow you to plan and schedule posts in advance across multiple social media platforms. They provide features such as content calendars, analytics, and team collaboration, making it easier to manage and optimize your social media presence. Content creation and design tools. Get creative with tools like Canva, Adobe Creative Cloud, PicMonkey, or Over. These platforms offer a wide range of design templates, photo editing features, and graphic elements that will help you create eye-catching visuals for your social media posts. Whether you need to design stunning images, create engaging videos, or craft compelling infographics, these tools have got you covered. Analytics and reporting tools. Utilize platforms such as Google Analytics, Facebook Insights, Instagram Insights, or Sprout Social to track performance, measure success, and refine your social media strategies. These tools provide valuable insights into your audience demographics, engagement metrics, and content performance. By analyzing this data, you can optimize your social media campaigns and make data-driven decisions to achieve better results. Now that you have the tools, let's uncover where you can find social media management job opportunities to kickstart your career. Here are some key sources. Online job platforms. Explore popular job platforms like LinkedIn, Indeed, Glassdoor, Sent Matters, and Simply Hired. These platforms often feature a wide range of social media management positions, including full-time, part-time, and freelance opportunities. Use specific keywords such as social media manager, digital marketing specialist, or social media coordinator to narrow down your search and find relevant job listings. Social media and digital marketing agencies. Check out local or national agencies specializing in social media management and digital marketing. Many agencies have dedicated teams for social media, and they frequently have openings for social media managers. Visit their websites, browse their careers or job sections, and consider reaching out directly to express your interest. Networking and freelancing platforms. Leverage your professional network and connect with potential clients or employers on platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, Fiverr, or People Per Hour. These platforms offer freelance opportunities and can help you gain valuable experience while building your portfolio. Create a compelling profile highlighting your skills and past projects, and actively bid on relevant social media management jobs. Applying for social media management positions requires a strategic approach. Here are some tips to help you stand out from the competition and land your dream job. Create a captivating resume. Tailor your resume to highlight your social media experience, skills, and results you've achieved. Showcase your familiarity with various social media platforms, content creation, analytics, campaign management, and community engagement. Include any certifications, relevant coursework, or workshops you have completed. If you have concrete examples of successful social media campaigns you've managed, include links or case studies. Craft an engaging cover letter. Customize your cover letter for each application. Highlight your passion for social media, your understanding of industry trends, and your ability to connect with and engage online audiences. Share specific examples of how your skills and experience align with the job requirements and the company's goals. Establish a strong online presence. Employers often look at your online presence to gauge your suitability for a social media role. Optimize your LinkedIn profile to showcase your skills, experience, and achievements. Create a professional website or portfolio to showcase your work samples, case studies, and testimonials from past clients or employers. Consider starting a blog or contributing guest posts to establish yourself as an industry expert. Share your insights and expertise through engaging content on social media, demonstrating your understanding of different platforms and your ability to create compelling content. Networking and building connections. Attend industry events, webinars, or workshops to connect with professionals in the field. Engage in conversations on social media platforms, join relevant LinkedIn groups, and participate in online discussions. Building relationships with other social media professionals can provide valuable insights, job leads, and opportunities for collaboration. Continuous learning and skill development. Social media is an ever-evolving field, so staying updated with the latest trends, tools, and best practices is crucial. Invest time in learning new skills, exploring emerging platforms, and understanding the changing algorithms and policies of social media networks. Consider pursuing relevant certifications like the Facebook Blueprint or Google Ads certification to enhance your credibility. Congratulations! You're now armed with the knowledge and tools to jumpstart your career as a social media manager. Remember to continuously update your skills, stay up to date with social media trends, and keep refining your craft. With passion, dedication, and these tips, you'll be well on your way to success in the dynamic world of social media management. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the exciting world of social media management. Remember to put these strategies into action, stay curious, and always strive for improvement. Wishing you the best of luck in your journey to becoming a successful social media manager. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay notified for more valuable content. Until next time.